In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Miro to connect arrows. To begin, open Miro and go to a new board. You can start from a blank board or any template, but a blank board often makes it easier to see what you are doing. Once the board loads, take a moment to orient yourself. Your main canvas is in the center, and the creation tools are along the left side. If you ever feel zoomed in too far or too far out, use your mouse wheel or the zoom controls to get a comfortable view before you start drawing. Next, look to the left toolbar and click on Shapes. This opens the Shapes menu where you can add common diagram elements to your board. Even though we are focused on arrows, it helps to know that arrows are part of the same set of tools you use to build flowcharts and simple diagrams. If the toolbar looks a little different on your screen, it may be because the menu is collapsed. In that case, clicking the Shapes icon will still reveal the available options. Now, in the Shapes menu, click on Arrows. This selects the arrow connector tool so you can draw a line that links items on your board. After you choose arrows, move your cursor onto the canvas, and you will be ready to connect elements. When you are working with connectors, it is easiest to first place the objects you want to link, then draw the arrow between them. That way, your arrow has clear start and end points and stays organized within your layout. As you add arrows, aim for clean spacing and consistent direction so your diagram stays readable. If you need to make adjustments, you can typically select an arrow after placing it and reposition it for a clearer path. Staying slightly zoomed in while you connect elements can also help you attach arrows accurately. Once you have selected the Arrows tool and started connecting items on your board, you have the core workflow down. That covers everything you need to know.